So guys, now I'd like to tell you how to register on the Quotex platform. First of all, you should type on the registration button. After this, you need to enter your email address, create your password, choose your currency, click that you confirm that you are over. So here we are, guys. Having done this, you should type on the deposit button, click here. So guys, having done this, you should choose your payment methods. There are several of them here and you are free to choose any one. I would like to choose Binance Pay. Having done this, you need to choose the amount of investment for a first deposit. Please remember that it's important to deposit at least $150 if you want to use my personal promo code. That's why I will put this sum into the field, $150, and of course I will add my personal promo code. My personal promo code is cash50. It will give you additional 50% above your deposit. So our current deposit will be $225. Now we should click on the deposit button. Okay guys, so you can see that we have our money on our account and everything is done. So now we'll start our trading, guys, and I would like you to join me as fast as possible.